Hey guys, whether I'm out in the woods or out on a trail, having a reliable tonneau cover for your pickup truck is a must. And that's why I use this aluminum retractable tonneau cover from TRUCK2GO. This tonneau cover has a latching feature on the inside of the tailgate. All I have to do is just pull it off to the side, it'll click, and then want to go forward by itself. It also has drainage systems, so I can ensure everything inside is nice and dry, even in the heaviest of rains. One of the other features that I really like about the tonneau cover from TRUCK2GO is they have slots in the side, and those slots are for the rail systems that TRUCK2GO sells. If you are into kayaking or have ladders that you need to put on your truck, those are a go-to and a pretty good option. With this particular model, what I really like is the fact that it doesn't have the exterior locking mechanisms like some of the other ones have. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, but with the 2022 Chevy Silverado like I have, when you lock the doors, the tailgate locks. So with that, if you guys are in the market for a tonneau cover, this is an awesome tonneau cover. It's from TRUCK2GO. You can visit their website at truck2go.co.